Hi CreaTech, this is Thomas Hayden from Kingston Smith. This is a quick video about research and development for tax purposes. R&D tax is a fantastic way to get money into your business because you've done certain types of activities that the government wants to encourage. There's two schemes, an SME scheme and a large company scheme. The SME scheme is slightly more generous than that large company scheme, and which you'll qualify for will depend on a range of factors. How many employees you've got, your turnover, total balance sheet assets, whether you've been subcontracted to, and whether or not you've received grants or subsidies. What I'd like to do in this video is give you my 5 top misconceptions about R&D tax, and I'll quickly answer those as well. This could not be further from the truth. In fact, the majority of companies making claims are not scientific or not in the scientific sector at all. There's a lot within the creative sectors, a lot within software development, a lot within manufacturing, etc. Just because you've been paid to do your R&D doesn't mean you can't claim. It might mean that you can't claim under the more generous SME scheme because it might be deemed that you've been subcontracted to. This will depend on a number of different factors. It's always worthwhile getting someone to look at this in detail, but particularly around, is it your company or is it the company subcontracting to you that's taking that technical and financial risk? Again, this is not true. It might affect which scheme you're able to claim under. So you might not be able to claim for that expenditure under the SME scheme. Again, getting someone to have a look at this for you, making sure that the grant is the right type of grant, will affect how much you're able to claim under each scheme. You can actually go back 2 years. So you probably haven't missed the boat, but it's definitely worthwhile you looking into this as soon as possible. HMRC are paying out at the moment within about 28 days of receiving a claim. So particularly now during coronavirus, if you're looking for quick cash flow, get your claims in now. Making a claim doesn't have to be time consuming. And the more you plan ahead, the easier it will be when you get to the end of the year and you make that claim. So if you go through the year, keeping decent records on what your employees are doing, how much time they're spending on various different types of activities, how your projects are progressing, what was difficult within your project. When it comes to the end of the year, it's going to be quite easy for you to put that together and make a claim. In addition, if you've done this throughout the year and if you justify your claim well, so you put together a good, strong report that explains your R&D, explains what you did, then HMRC should have no reason to question that claim. Furthermore, if they did ask questions, you would easily be able to answer them. So that's a quick overview of R&D and some of the misconceptions. If you'd like to find out any more about research and development for tax purposes, then please contact us in our booth. Please give me a call, give a shout out to Kingston Smith, and we will be more than happy to talk this through with you. Thank you.